we worship you.
All right, saints of God. I want you to forget about all your troubles and your
Sanctuary, we receive your power.
because right now it ain't about you.
Hello, everyone. Once again, we're admonishing and encouraging everyone to participate in the Pearland West Church of Christ worship service. Last Lord's Day, we launched an entirely new series, Sharpening Our Vision, looking at the Pearland West Church of Christ preparing to return on August the 1st. This past Sunday, we looked at Act 1 of Luke chapter 15. We looked at the younger prodigal son, the lost younger son. Be with us this Lord's Day. We're going to start looking at Act 2, the lost elder son. Join us as we continue sharpening our vision.
All right, saints of God. I want you to forget about all your troubles and your
Sanctuary, we receive your power.
because right now it ain't about you.